ICT is no longer a luxury.
Young Kenyans are able to communicate with people across the world.
We have enough experiences within the African continent from which to learn from.
I completely do not agree with the idea that the state is unable to address the issue of insecurity caused by cattle rustling.
To be a leader, you must be prepared to serve, but you must also fall in love with the people that you serve. And they must also fall in love with you.
All the women of Africa, bravo! Start early. Get the message out quick so that they know what your ideas are.
I think I am a fighter. Not a crazy woman, but a dreamer.